Good morning, class. Have you ever thought about why is it that some plants don't grow here but grows there? Like strawberries at Baguio and cranberries from other countries. You might notice some of the plants you bought from stores withered easily when you brought it in your home. Well, just like us people, plants also need to have an environment suited for them. Just imagine moving from a tropical country will make you feel like it's winter there at Korea when in fact it's summer. Then, of course, in order to overcome these changes in the environment, you will need to do things to adapt. But yeah, we are here to talk about plants. Let us find out their types and what adaptation
Taro plant, which has the scientific name of Colocasia esculenta, is a tropical plant that can live in dry and wet soil. This can be eaten from the leaves to its shame plant, with the Latin name of Mimosa pudica, originates from unusual habit of the plant to shrink its leaves when touched. Pudica means bashful. Mimosa is also known as a sensitive plant, humble plant, touch me not, and
Cactus or cactuses. Most of the cactuses survive in dry and hot climates. So even if we don't water it, it can survive because it stores water on its stem. What adaptations does a cactus have to exist in such a hot, dry climate? So here are the parts and functions of a cactus. Thick, waxy skin, its function is to reduce water loss. Fleshy stems are responsible for storing water. The cactus has sharp spines or spike instead of leaves to lessen water loss. Balete bonsai, also classified as Ficus benjaminalin, is famous because of its unique roots. As you can see, it is the plant that sends off aerial roots downwards. The aerial roots that reach the soil grow into it and thicken into additional trunks. Ficus benjamin needs warm and humid weather. It must be set in a luminous
Water hyacinth or Eichhornia crassype grows in all types of freshwater environments. This plant varies in size from a few inches to over 3 feet tall. They have showy lavender flowers and the leaves are rounded and leathery, attached to spongy and sometimes inflated stalks. Possible suggested adaptations for water hyacinth is the curved, broad leaves could act like a sail allowing plants to easily travel over water and spread quickly. The soft and spongy is filled with air sacs which keep the plant buoyant. The roots are dense and feathery network which allow them to gather nutrients easily from the water. Its purpose is to control and conserve environmental conditions. Water hyacinth can absorb metals like copper and lead from industrial sewage and living place sewage. It can also absorb mercury and lead melt in the liquid. Water hyacinth can absorb minerals and inorganic substances from the sewage. Pineapple plant has the scientific name Ananas squamossus. The pineapple plant undergoes a special photosynthetic pathway called crassulation acid metabolism. This is a great adaptation because it allows the plant to conserve moisture. Pineapple is a russet plant with fleshy, overlapping leaves, sometimes with spiny margins and an extensive root system. The leaves store water absorbed by specialized hairs on their clasping bases. The fruit, which is crowned by a cluster of leaves, is sweet and succulent when ripe. Did you know that the spike in pineapple called suckers? It grows between the leaves of a mature pineapple plant. This can be pulled or snapped off, air-dried, and planted. Slips are similar to suckers but they grow out and then curve upward from the fruits.
Dragon fruit plants adapt well to container growing, and the beauty of propagating a dragon fruit in a pot is the ability to move it and overwinter dragon fruit health benefits. First, it's rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic acid, and beta-cyanine. Second, it's naturally fat-free and higher in fiber. Third, it may help lower your blood sugar. It it contains prebiotics, which are foods that feed the healthy bacteria called probiotics in. Succulents adore indoor plant because they are adapted to survive dry conditions. And succulents are plants with parts that are thickened, fleshy, and engorged,